closed load box such as a trunk. Use it for the transportation of non-perishable products, usually place it in boxes and palletize it. Randon makes two models available, Duraluminio and Ecoplate 2. Break the set. Open the back door. Press the lock so it detaches the lever. Turn it in the clockwise direction and open the door. After that, place it on the side of the product. Turn the handle to the left. Lock the clasp before lifting the door and open the door manually. When applied, press the lock so it detaches the lever. Turn it in the clockwise direction and open the door. After that, place it on the side of the product. Attention! Before loading, check the chapter Resistance to the Entrance of Forklift in the owner's manual. Proceed to loading. Attention! Be careful with the approach of pallets next to the frontal panel. Go through the bracing of the load according to the model. Optional item, according to the installed device. Do not use ripping for bracing. Use ring and brace for bracing. They are attached to the aluminum column with lodged holes along the product. Attention! When in traffic with equipment empty, use at least 5 tensed braces along the product. Close the doors, going through the reverse process. Keep the set bracket. Open the doors. Go through the unloading. For more information regarding operation, accessories and maintenance, check the owner's manual. Attention! Maximum height of the semi-trailer attached to the tractor truck cannot exceed 4.4 meters. For this, check the height of the coupling and the model of the tires used. Do not alter the suspension system, as it will exceed the maximum height.